Oh, that's an eraser.
Wow,
Sharpener.
Ako na
Oh, you must learn to write na biha. Your pencil. What's this? Wow. Yay, your ruler. Just nag-vlog na ka, be? I-vlog ko na, be, de? I-vlog imong things, be, imong toys and everything. Sige. Oh, what's that? That's a paintbrush. Oh. Oh, diba? Gitulo niya ang kuan wall. Yeah, that's yours. Oh, what's that? Yes. Hello, yung mga IC vlogger nakikita kayo. Oh.
mga volunteers or kaon ng kaon.
Oh, this? It's not yet sharpened. What language is that, Dobby? What language are you using?
Spanish, she's speaking. Half Chinese, half Japanese, half Korean, half Filipino.
That's 1/4. That's not half. 1/4. 1/4.
Ayan na lang.